Coalition of 14 organizations in Manipur today launched sharp criticism of Inner Manipur MP Dr. BIMOL AKOIJAM over his recent remarks on the state's political status prior to its merger with Indian Union and his comments on NRC. Addressing a press conference at the office of IPSA at AKOIJAM, Shanta Nahakpam, speaking on behalf of the organizations, alleged that the MP's statements reflected lack of understanding of key constitutional and historical frameworks. Referring to MP Bimol's speech at the seminar organized by All Manipur Bar Association at MSF-DS on Saturday, Shanta contended that the MP misrepresented provisions of the Indian Independence Act 1947 and relied selectively on legal references to justify merger of Manipur with the Indian Union. He argued that the act not only restructured legal framework established under the Government of India Act 1935, but also served as a transitional constitutional basis. He further stated that the question of legitimacy of Manipur's merger remains a subject of scholarly debate and accused the MP of undermining academic discourse in the state by presenting one-sided narrative. According to him, MP Bimol failed to adequately address provisions of the 1947 Act, particularly Section 7, Clause 1B, which mark lapse of British paramountcy on August 15, 1947, thereby restoring sovereignty to princely states, including Manipur. Citing multiple Supreme Court judgments between 1954 and 1993, Shanta asserted that sovereign status of princely states has been recognized in various legal contexts and warned that denying such status could call into question agreements entered into with the Government of India. On the issue of NRC, the organizations accused the MP of misleading the public by referring to an RTI response from State Home Department, stating that records of 1951 NRC were unavailable. Shanta argued that the reply originated from Directorate of Census Operations of Manipur and not from a competent authority under the Union Ministry of Home Affairs. He maintained that the MP, as a parliamentarian, should instead press the centre to produce 1951 NRC records for Manipur. He also referred to 1954 administrative report of the Superintendent of Census Operations for Assam, Manipur and Tripura as evidence of the existence of such records. The organization reiterated their demand for updating NRC in Manipur to identify illegal migrants prior to conduct of future census exercises, stating that the issue remains central to safeguarding demographic and political interests of the state.
Lebak sigi haktai tare lebak sigi original independence singi thona amadi akoi tungi weba mirol sok tanaba NRC 1951 da tawgi duga husik tawga dawse link tawja ai si link tawga ai matamda ojabi mol gi wai du da NPR 2010 si relevant population data hai ai ta palle NPR 2010 ga census ka NRC ga karim ta mari lende NPR ai bisdi husik su ai sam pokta di birth rate start to population rate start to change Madi Nuti update to woman. Aduga census size Saitra Tragi to one Tivani. NRC is Indian citizen identified to Kari Marunginova, section of politician Karana, NPR, census, and again NRCC, Miam the confused Sadalaga, late of a potable lay, Haina Haiba, Lareva, Duna, late and Sanba, Aduga, scheduled tribe list, Tingats for tribe Karese, 1951 की ममांग ले रम ताड़ी yes well and good as per document legacy data accept तो उतार में ले रम दो ताड़ी foreigner ने declare तो उतार में सी तो उतार करी you know section of politician करना यानिंग दबो ले से करी you know ऐसे उजाबी मोल्डा लुक्तरा मरीना वहाँ में सब चाना ऐसी हम जरी है ऐसे